Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Lesleyanne. If you are new to my channel, thank you very much if you are new for stopping by, and I hope you watch the video until the end of the video. And if of course you like what you see, I'd love it if you would give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So today I have got for you a Poundland haul. It's quite small, sorry about the dog. So as I was saying, I've got a Poundland haul. It's not big, but it's mainly, well, it is themed around Valentine's Day. As it's based around Valentine's Day, I picked up this. So this is like my, wow, I was going to say my start for decorating the table for Valentine's Day. Maybe other than a bottle of wine, that sort of thing, and obviously the dinner. Then I decided this is probably going to be enough, quite honestly. So I picked up this, a table runner. It's 180 by 30 centimetres, and it's red with the little hearts on, and it feels like, it's almost like a linen. What does it say? 65% cotton, 35 polyester, but it does feel very like linen-y. I think it's really, really nice. So that would just go, you know, as a runner across the table. Then I picked up these, so it's some heart bunting. There's 2.5 meters in here. That's what it looks like. Let's see if I can have a quicker look. Oh, it's much nicer than I thought. I imagined they'd be tiny little hearts, but actually, look at those. So you've got all of that on a bunting. So I'm thinking that I will probably put on, like in front of the fireplace, to make the lounge look a little bit Valentines. These guys were £1. The table runner was £2. And then I saw these lights. I picked up both because I couldn't decide. Now they had these red rose lights in pink as well. And then of course they've got the red heart lights. So I thought I'd pick up both. They were £1 each. And they are really, really sweet, actually. They're tiny, tiny little hearts. Look at those. How cute are these? They're really, really sweet. So you've got your tiny little lights and the tiny little hearts, but they are really sweet. So those I might just kind of like lay out on the table, because I've got some heart-shaped plates already that I've had for years, so we'll be using those. And then what I might do as a real treat is to possibly get, you know, like the Marks and Spencer's meals that you can get. So you can get like your wine or Tesco's or something like that, especially for Valentine's. And then, yeah, it's all kind of prepared for you. All you have to do is like put it in the oven and cook it. So those I think I might decorate the table with. And then these are the little these are the little roses. As I said, they do these in pink as well. But I thought, let's stick to a bit of a red theme for this. Oh, they are really cute. They're like, oh, they're like, I don't know what you'd call this. Almost like a plasticky, but not plastic. I don't know what you'd call it, but how sweet are these? I actually may go back and get the pink ones and like entwine them so you've got pink and red together. These are going to go on the bookshelf, which is like in front of the table. And of course I got batteries, because we're going to need batteries. We need batteries anyway, but I definitely need some for like the lights. So I just picked up those. These were £1, these ones each. And then these again were £1, and you've got 10 heart tea lights. I don't think they're fragranced or anything like that, but they do just look really nice, and they're going to look really nice on the table as well. Oh, when I saw these, I thought, got to get these. And of course there are 3 in this house. So there's myself and there's Chris, my husband, if you haven't been here before to my channel. And then our son Luke is here. And of course, you know, Valentine's, you share the love. It's not between just partners, is it? It's between anyone that you love. But I did pick up these 2 for Chris and for Luke, the red ones. Do you know, these were £1 each. I just think it's amazing. And then for myself, I got the pink one. I just thought a pink heart cup in the middle of the 2 red ones. And then last but not least, these of course can be used any time of the year, but I have got them for Valentine's for the wine. They are actually the double-walled cups. So they're like the snug ones that you hold like this to keep your hands nice and warm. I will probably end up using these before, in all honesty, and stick into proper wine glasses. Why did I start using these? I probably won't. No, because I can't wait to use them, that's why. But yeah, they're the double-walled ones, so we need to rinse them out, give them a wash, and then, yeah, hey presto, get your hands nice and warm with your drink. So your hands get warm, but they don't get hot. So 3 of those. These were £2 each, and they were the last 3 on the shelf. And that, my lovelies, is everything that I got in Poundland. As I say, it was literally just to go and do a bit of a Valentine's Day haul. You will see it all set out and, you know, displayed and everything when I film it on Valentine's Day. So until then, I'm going to love you and leave you, my darlings, and I'll speak to you in my next video. Take care, everyone. Don't forget, if you have enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free to do so. See you soon. Take care, everyone. Bye. Bye.
Where I had sometimes played chess, and when I'm out, I'm looking for that vintage fling. But all complexions that I adore, so hard to find, these seem impossible to score.